Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at the Norman Manley International Airport and we are going to show you the construction that's taking place out by the roundabout. Now, what is happening is they have removed the Air Jamaica symbol or the tail, basically that was the tail that had the Air Jamaica logo on it. That was by the roundabout. Very iconic. I mean, I'm sure many people remember going to the airport and seeing the tail. So the tail has been removed and they're putting in two signs, a Welcome to Kingston sign and a Norman Manley International Airport sign. Those signs are very popular in Jamaica. They are actually a big hit. So many times you'll see people stopping to take pictures with the signs. They have a new sign by Morant Bay, one by Bull Bay, Negril, Montego Bay. So this is the in thing now, and they're very popular. So out here now is the roundabout. So to the right is where they are setting it up, and they're doing like a park. It's very nice. They have a brick walkway. As we go around, you'll see. See, you can see it's very nicely done. I must say, this looks very impressive. It's a pity they weren't able to do all of this with the sign still there, but Air Jamaica no longer flies. It was a national airline in Jamaica from 1968, and it was the number one airline in the Caribbean for many years. There you can see the different paved walkways. This is actually going to be very nice. So maybe, guys, what do you think about removing the sign? Leave your comments in the section below. And what do you think about the new sign that's going up? The Kingston sign and the Norman Manley International Airport sign. Now, I'm very impressed with the work that's going on out here. Looks very nice. And it's actually being done by the Norman Manley International Airport. They are spending US $213 million to, they're spending the money on capital programs to fix up the airport. And the Norman Manley International Airport, it's one of the top airports in the Caribbean. I think it's number 5 or 6, but in terms of the number of passengers that pass through the airport, they are nothing close to the numbers that the top 3 airports have. Like the airport in Puerto Rico, I think, has 10 million passengers. The just one of the airports in the Dominican Republic has 8 million, and then the Sangster International Airport has 6 million passengers a year. Norman Manley probably has about 1.5, 1.7. So in terms of the big airports in the Caribbean, it's not up there. But the Sangster International Airport is much busier than this one. But this one serves the city of Kingston. And they are fixing up the airport, so maybe over time they will increase their numbers. But this is a very nice sign. We'll keep you guys, a very nice project. We'll keep you guys updated on it. So let us know what you think. Guys, leave your comments in the section below. So we're heading back onto the Palisades Strip now, heading towards Harborview. Let us know what you think about removing the sign and putting up the new sign. Now, they stated that the old sign, because of its historic value, the Jamaica National Heritage Trust is to being in charge of the sign, and there was some mention of putting it in a museum. So we will keep you guys updated on that project. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.